Motherfucker was just barking at Darrell, the pool boy. What up? Is this real fucking life? I just got you guys in here. Anyway, they were just barking at the fucking pool boy, and now my wife just pulled in the garage. Psychos. Psychos. I'm sure you still hear it. Who's over here? Who's on? Who's on? Jesus fucking Christ. Keegan Murphy, what up? Joe Lopez, Roa, Joey, Labradabra, QO Bill, Kenny, Konija, Roger Adams, Mark Kell, Tim Morgan, Mystic Rick, Franny, Will, what up? Sorry for all the fucking chaos. V33, Benny Reimer. Yeah. It's crazy. That crazy candle happened, and then it came all the way back down. I was watching it. I just sat it out. What up, Darrell's Nutsack? TP. Krister. I'm just logging into my accounts over here. Just to show you what a dumb fuck I was last night. Jesus. I'm still fucking annoyed about it. Still fucking annoyed. K-Spec. The Crouton. Robert Gallus, what up? Coral Sky, Scooby. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Gary. MOBA. Newts. Oh my God. That's teaching you a lesson. Hot shot. Now that we know who it is, it just makes it even more pathetic. I got a 1080 cam. I'm on 1080 cam. It's 1080. I'm streaming from my M1 MacBook Pro. I have no intention of ever getting some external cam that I could fucking plug in. Nah. I'm just going to leave it towards that being him. I don't give a fuck. It's him. Flexing on what? Flexing on nothing. If all that's really happening If all that's really happening, why do you give a fuck about me? Right? Who gives a fuck about me? If you're doing that fucking well in life, who gives a fuck about me? All right, let me share my screen. I'll teach you a lesson. Smart man, Joey Freedom. Awful. Yeah, there was like no news today. There was crude oil inventories. I saw it on Financial Juice. Spartanik, Juan Wick, Florence, Hot Shot. I just haven't shaved, bro. It's not that much of a fresh cut. I actually just did my hair today. Got your Apex 2000K approved, $2,000 approved today. Fuck yeah. Great job. Pound that confetti like roast beef for Florence. Great job. We love to see people getting payouts. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Super excited for you. Super excited. Lee, what up? Kevon, what's good? Christopher Boucher. Mama says, I'm gonna teach you a lesson in humility, Zero Day Jason. Jason. No, Joe Lopez, there's not 6K people watching. There's just some fucking loser that sends bots to my channel thinking it's actually going to hurt my channel. I think it's actually helping. So thank you. Send more. Everybody wants to come and see how many bots this fucking thing could go up to. Thanks to this fucking loser in his grandma's basement. It don't matter, Lobber Dobber. Nobody. It's nobody. Because that's all they are, is a fucking nobody. Ro. Corey, what's good? Nobody important. Teach you a lesson in humility. Am I sharing my screen yet? I'm not sharing my screen yet. Hold on a second. There we go. Teach you a lesson, Zero Day Jason. Zero Day Jason. Scott Fields, what up? I don't know, man. I don't know. Is Trump going to talk? Trump got any big news to drop? Bowser. Nah. This fucking loser's probably going to send it to who knows what. I got to about Jason, humility, insolence. Your impotence is showing. I'm going to keep sending it up because I'm a fucking loser. I have nothing better to do with my life. Tristan, what up? Yeah, my bad on the close face up. You saw all my imperfections. All right. Where do I fucking start? Last night. Danny Stevens, what up? Micah Trades, what up? Zero Day Jason will never learn his lesson in humility. Blackout News Network, what's good? Amit, what up? TJP. Apex Trades, what up? Oh, man, people are still showing up. Racky boy. All right. Last night, or yes, it was yesterday still, really, but we were basically in Asia. I think it was during the Asian session. I just wanted to get one more $200 day in my fucking XFAs. These two. But no. What's fucked up is I was trading gold and I went up $250. I couldn't get out of the trade fast enough. And then it fucking went against me. I got stopped out. I kept fucking doing dumb shit. And before I know it, both of these accounts were blown. But it's okay. I got paid on them. And then to add insult to injury, well, that wasn't even that. And then another thing happened in my Top Step account. I had a rebill come through. I woke up at like 3 in the morning and was like, oh, look, a rebill. Oh, look, NQ looks like it might want to dump here. So I go short in what I thought was the NQ. Turns out I went short in fucking gold right at the bottom, and gold popped, and I blew the account. And NQ did drop enough points for me to get my my $1,500 day in. So that was cool. So I have 2 new ones here. Before all that happened, and after I blew my XFAs, I was like, I know what's gonna happen. I was literally talking about it in the Discord. Gold is gonna fucking hit a bottom and then bounce, and because it's right when it hits the bottom or at least a new low, that's when I'm gonna lose the accounts, the XFAs, which is exactly what happened. And I was like, fuck it. I didn't even give a fuck at that point. And I'm gonna go trade my Apex accounts that I only needed about $600 on all 3 and 2 days of trading. And then I could flip the rest of the way and lock in another payout of $2,000 each. So another $6,000 in payouts. So what do I do? And I said, I'm going to fucking just go. As soon as that happens, I'm going to go long in my PAs because I know that's how it always fucking happens. So what do? I go fucking long. I get 390 and I'm annoyed that it didn't hit my take profit. Although 390 was more than enough because what did I need after that? Like $210 tomorrow. And then I could flip 3 more days and get 6 fucking grand more to pad my best month ever, to pad that shit, to make it a fucking insane month. And we still got plenty of month left. But what do? I try to get fucking more, and like a dumb fuck, I fucking blow the accounts. The dumb fuck shit. And here I am having my best month ever, and I fucking wonder how I get any payouts ever. It's the craziest fucking thing, how stupid I could be. Watch, I'll show you the trade. The first trade was fucking great. I didn't need to trade anymore, but I just could not fucking help myself. I could not fucking help myself. I was fucking ready to kill last night. So fucking stupid. Yesterday, let's see. I'll show you where it all is going to show it. There we go. Here was the first trade. Was this it? 18. Yeah, right here. Look. After fees, it was like $370. And then I did all this. I gave back so fucking much. And then I got it to a point where I was only down 340. And then that's what happens. I'm telling you, just take my word for it. You will get, the market will fucking fuck you if you know you were supposed to be done and you tried to do dumb shit and because you were a greedy fuck, you will get fucked. Guaranteed. As in, you will fuck yourself. So much for that. So much for that. But then, I don't know when I did this, but I did this also in the midst of all that bullshit. I am $555 away from another max payout from my fund of futures. This is the account that was, this is the account that I hit the daily loss limit twice. And I got it all. So I had a green day one, hit the daily loss limit. Then I had 2 green days, pushed myself back over 50K. Then I hit the daily loss limit again. And then I've had, how many green days since then? 3, 4? This is my 4th green day, I think, since then. So all I need is 500. Basically, I need, 555, $556. And I will be requesting another payout from this. Well, not another payout for the month. My first payout from this account specifically. This is the account I got paid on yesterday. Notice I don't have a lot of drawdown, so I haven't really traded it. I might not even touch it today because I gotta grow it. I gotta give myself some sort of cushion with micros. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in a benzo. Gorani, what up? Arnie, yo, Arnie, I haven't seen you in a while. What up? Jay Stores, just ain't right. Mwah! Ryan, like I literally all I had to do was just stop. Especially being fucking annoyed. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. King Delay, what up? Apex doesn't pay their traders. Oh, Arnie, all right, bro. Prop firms court. Hello, young lady. Apex trades, they're not real. It's just some fucking piece of shit loser that wants to teach me a lesson in humility. Don't I humiliate myself enough? It's fucking stupid. What a dumb fuck. ZERODAYJay Jason, NRG Trader, what up? P Shenanigan. Tim Morgan. Hey, just don't do it. Just don't violate it. What up, O? No spit at all, bro. TJP. Oh, that's in a funded account, TJP, or an eval? What do I recommend to get a 50K to before taking a payout? Yo, Here's what I recommend you do to get a payout on a 50K XFA, Crouton. 5 days of $200 or more. Whatever the balance is, take it. I like to push for a big first day and then coast the rest of the way. But whatever you got to do, just get your $200 days in. Don't worry about what the balance is at. Get paid. You know what I'm saying? Wood chip, what's good? Pandle. All right. The impotence, Alfred. The impotence. Newts. Hard to watch. Lord. Yeah, Newt, you like that? I Miss Goody. Donna, what's up? Maximus. Newts, I use that fucking thumbnail you made me. So that was all of that, right? And then this morning I wake up, for my day, and Take Profit Trader finally let me activate my pro accounts. I had 2 that I had to activate. And based on everything that happened last night, what do you think happened? Cyberpie, what up? Mohi. Probably more of the same fuckery, right? Teaching me a lesson. Blardo, what up? Teaching Zero Day Jason a lesson. What is it? What is it? What do you think happened? Oh! Another day one fucking payout, baby, with Take Profit Trader. That's what fucking happened. Just remember, shit like this is going to happen. I just hope it doesn't happen as often to you as it does to me. Shit like this is going to happen. However, it doesn't matter. What happens next is what matters more than what happened just before. Remember that shit. Remember. Marco Noriega, what's good? Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? Vinny Lee, 3 pulls. Zero Day Jason, another day one payout for Zero Day Jason. Let me fucking send more bots your way, you fucking asshole. Oh, I got Motion Capital. What up? Yo, Adrian, it's crazy. Like last night when I did this last night, I did not feel like I was having my best month ever. I felt awful. It felt fucking awful. I'm already out of coffee. God damn it. Kevin Tobias, A28. What up? Dr. Phil. Nayo. I don't know, Scott Fields. Anything could happen during Power Hour. Power Hour is fuckery hour. Now, I do have 6 new Apex PAs I want to activate. I did activate them. I don't know if I'm going to trade them, though. I want to learn how to put them in groups with wealth charts. So I'm not really sure. I guess I don't know. I don't know what to do now. Is there news? Just kind of moving aggressively to the downside. But I mean, really, what do we do? We haven't really done shit. Just had this. We had this crazy spike here. This is the 5-minute chart. Let me see the 15. We bounced off the fucking previous day's high. How many times now? Is that the previous day's high? Yeah. Let me draw. Zero Day Jason's gonna draw Fibonacci, okay, guys? Zero Day Jason here. No, I'm not sure how I feel about that. We're gonna draw a happy Fibonacci for Zero Day Jason. The midline's right here. We got the VWAP right underneath it in the golden shower pocket. I don't know what I want to do. What's gold doing? Even though gold absolutely fucking pushed my shit in last night. Peter SV, what up? Wood chip. I like that voice. More like I hate you, Zero Day Jason. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Warrior. I appreciate it, man. 50 to 70 point move back up. Interesting. I appreciate it, man. Warrior, thank you. Vince. Yes, sir. Yo, daddy. With tape, I know you can trade 5 pro accounts at the same time, but can you have some additional tests that you have already passed, but not? Yeah, yeah, they don't care about that. Once it's passed, it's done. You know what I mean? I don't know if they'll charge. I don't know if you'll have to pay a monthly subscription fee. I would hit up support and ask them because I'm not 100% sure. Christopher Boucher, Mama says DCA the dip, ride the rip, triple M's. You got, yeah, but is he rim job ready? That's the question. Probably not. Teach you a lesson. All right, so what the fuck are we gonna do here? We're at the VWAP again. We keep bouncing off the VWAP. I don't know what I want to do. I do want to trade this fucking pro account here. This 150K I have. I got this eval here. Fuck. Here's what I'm gonna do. What number is that? 973. This one's on day 5 too. This one is passed. This one's officially passed now. This is day 5 for this one. So as long as I don't blow this one today, I will have 3 funded take profit trader accounts tomorrow if they give it to me tomorrow. And this is a new test account. Apparently, I had a fucking rebuild that came through that I was not aware of. 973. Jason, 0 day Jason. Knock knock. What up? Have I tried alpha futures? No. I've heard pretty good things about them though. Bald Eagle, what's good? Tristan. Yeah, I know. You know me though. I want to trade right now. JK, what up? 0 day Jason, did you trade NQ or gold to get the day 1 payout? Micah. Micah. It was the NQ, actually. It was the NQ. It was during, when did it happen? It was during all this shit. In this pump. When we bounced here, I didn't ride it straight up, which although I would have loved to, but I did get a lot of this. That's when I was trading. Because I had to leave. I wanted my take profit to like make a new high, a new like go at least go near the New York high or the high of day actually, whatever the high of day was, and I just ran out of time. So once I got to this 2,500, I'm $575 over the buffer. I'm gonna request 575. I'll end up with what, $460? I'll take it. I'll take it. Now the trick is, can I fucking do it again tomorrow? Eric J, what up? Mufasa, Pimp Daddy. Jason, Jails Day, Jason. Is this going down? Oh, don't reject my. You motherfucker. 0 day Jason. Is it going back down to the VWAP? Guess not. I just need to get a day in on this account. I don't want to blow it though, obviously. Fuck. This shit doesn't know what it wants to do. This price action is dog shit, bro. At least I'm not doing it with a funded account. It's an eval I needed to get a day in. 0 day Jason says he needs to get a day in. Maybe it'll fucking overshoot the VWAP if it goes back down. J Stores. No. What did we go see? We just went and saw that Thunderbolts movie, that Marvel movie. I mean, it was okay. I just don't like what up, Taylor? I just don't like the it's so obvious the agenda that Disney likes to push through these fucking movies, and I see shit like that. I can't enjoy movies because I'm always looking for the silver lining and the fucking conspiracy and all that shit. It was okay. The movie was okay. Ah, you fucker. I guess I need to take a stop loss here. Jason's gonna take a stop here. Does this thing just want to pump? ZERODAYJAY Jason gonna take a loss here. This thing does want to pump. Amit, if anybody saw that movie, tell me you didn't notice that they kind of made the men appear like fucking idiots and nothing more. You know? So that's all. I don't agree with that. Maybe it goes back down. What do we think? Of course it's going to go back down. Of course, I got top ticked. Maybe it'll go back up. I'm only down. Maybe I'll blow this. If I blow this eval, it's okay. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting another payout. ZERODAYJAY Jason's getting another payout. It's okay. Oh, now it wants to fucking drop. No, maybe not. Why do I even have this stop here? It doesn't even matter. Just ain't right. Roger Adams. Oh, you know this guy. This guy likes to fucking burn Teslas. This guy likes to light Teslas on fire and key there. Yeah, no, dude, Troy. Yeah, it was a big time about that, and I'm all for that, Troy. I'm all for that. Obviously, we don't need to agree, but they do it all the time. Lately, for the last how many years, they make the men seem fucking pathetic. That's all. You don't have to agree with it, but that's what I noticed. You know, the fucking, the Captain America dude, him, the dad. Is this really fucking happening? All right, well, there goes that account. This thing just wants to pump. All right, well, cool. Oh no, should I cry about it? It's a rebuild I didn't even want. That's the worst part about it. Jim Carlo, what up? Zach. Yeah, it's Tristan. It's just like all of a sudden we're not capable of doing anything. We're totally incapable. Oopsie, Willie. Mystic Rick. Smash the like button. You get to watch me blow an account. I mean, fuck, man. I was green in that other trade, but whatever. Not a funded account. Not the end of the world. It's crazy, too, because I wanted to go long in this fucking... You know what we're going to do? Here's what we're going to fucking do. Add instrument, NQ. NQM5. Jason! How the fuck do I do this now, though? I don't know how to do this shit. 297, 298. We'll do 3. Ratio 1-to-1. All right, now what? Do I need to drag this somewhere else? Jason! How do you save it? Now what? I really should watch a video about this shit. Where's the save button? Where the fuck is the save button? That doesn't make any sense. This shit is so... Again, fucking well charts is fucking dog shit. Why can't it just be so fucking? Why can't it be simple? Fuck that shit. Just ain't right. Pine Tree, what up? Jason's here. Chopsticks, what's good? Coach Fred. Ariel Batista. Ryan. Nah, I mean, there's a video. There's like a 10-minute video I got to sit through. I started watching it, and then I just, oh, look at where it, look. Look at where it, look, it's coming back down. Pretty much, I got top ticked. Zero Day Jason. Fuck it, let's fucking, is it going all the way back down to the VWAP? I hate this shit. Look at these candles. This is the 15-minute chart. Yeah, right. Yeah, 10 minutes to explain it. Perry Dollar. This is tough to watch, guys. Coach Fred, this is so tough to watch, okay, guys? HR, what up? Thank you, sir. I don't think so, Micah. I think you know what happened. You asked for too much money. Maybe there was a day that you traded that was misconstrued as a flip day. You know what I mean? I wouldn't throw the towel in. You've been getting fucking hella money from them. Trending World, what up? Perry Dollar. Giancarlo, are you telling me to sell now, or are you telling the chat? Because if this is your first time here or your second time here, just know that I will never do what anybody in the chat says to do. I've seen so many people do shit like that. Sell now, and then the market fucking pumps 50 points. Or buy now, and the market dumps 50 points. Costa, what up? I hope nobody's listening to him, and I'm sure maybe he's right. Don't listen to anybody. Take your own fucking trades. Yeah, I don't know, Micah. I just feel like it's I don't know. We were talking about this in the Discord. You asked for too much money. Same shit happened, look what happened to Ron with fucking Fitty ass. This price action is absolute dog shit. But now that I blew my account, it's probably going to dump because I was short. I wanted it to go back down to the VWAP. How do you trade this shit? We just saw what happened. I got fucking fucked. What's gold doing? Jesus. Look at gold. This is the hourly on gold. This is riding down this fucking trend line. What's the 4-hour look like? Ew. Oh, wow. It's got like a head and shoulders here that confirmed. Gold could really fucking drop down. Double top confirmed. We tried to retest the high, 0 day Jason, and then we double top confirmed. But we're at a little bit of support here. Maybe we drop down to this area right here, which is just over 3,000. That'd be crazy. What, on the NQ? On the New York Open? Yeah, I mean, we're in the middle of this shit. We've basically been in the orb all day, if you think about it, which is nuts. So this rejected, this was that pop, rejected basically off the top orb. If you look at from the market open, the orb's down here from the open. It's a non-factor. It almost looks like it's forming like a double top here. A whack, upside down whack Arnold's W. I don't know what to do. Will. Who's working for Apex? Who's working for Apex? Not 0 day Jason. Michael Scott. Yeah. Yeah, it's resistance until it's not. You know how that shit goes. Quang, what up? It's not really dropping. All right, well, cool. You told me. I could have said the same thing. What was my original trade? What was my original trade? I went in short. Short here, short here. I was in agreement with you. I just had the timing wrong. And I was over leveraged. So I ran out of fucking drawdown. I liked going short too. We got a lower high here too. That also definitely doesn't hurt. What's gold doing? Gold is going up, NQ's going down. Shocker. So my original trade was here. My entry, 46. I wanted like 31. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, Michael Scott. Yeah, this is fucking dog shit. Like, I'll be right back. I got fucking time. I'm gonna go get some coffee because unless I'm sure when I come back, it's gonna be down 50 fucking points, but that's besides the point. This is I have time to get coffee. I want to get more coffee before the algo candles come. If they do anything at all. Jason, Zero Day Jason will be right back, guys. If you're gonna leave, smash the like button on your way out, please. I can't pass an eval in one day anyway. I already passed this one. This one's passed, so I'll have a third funded account tomorrow if they give it to me. I'll be right back. Zero Day Jason's coming back. Oh, look at that. Where's the bottom orb? It can't even, it's just wicking below the VWAP. Dario, what up? If I sell one account, I will pass the eval. I don't know what you mean by that, bro. Salty Sailor, what up? I need more coffee. Hey, I'm just curious what you had. Hey, Giancarlo, what was your take profit on the short? This is awful. Awful, awful, awful price action. Now we got a higher low. We got some sort of fucking consolidation going on here. Fucking boring ass shit. Meanwhile, gold is up 100. It went up 100 and almost 120 ticks. Michael Escorza. Yeah, I got those. Did I get the money yet? I don't know if I got the money yet, bro. I don't even think I got the email. Let me check my account. I'm gonna log into my bank account now. I got 2,000 of it earlier this week because I got approved on one. I got approved on one like within the next morning. I'm expecting the money. I wasn't expecting the money until later this week. Oh, maybe I got it. I don't know. Did I get it? Hold on. No, I didn't get it yet. I got 2,000 of it on Monday. I'm expecting this money by, I don't even think I got the email yet. When they say, hey, payment sent, I got approved on Friday. Let's see. Apex Zero. Hey, Jason, your Apex payment. No, I didn't get it. Sometimes I get paid without getting the email. I've been paid without getting the email, so I don't really know. So I don't know. Maybe it's going to come this week. I got approved on Friday. This is the third business day since I got approved. I haven't gotten the email yet saying the payment's being sent. So I'm not really sure. But I did get 2,000 of it because I got paid, I got approved a while ago on the other one at this point. I can tell you one thing though. When I requested my My Fund the Futures payout, I got it 1 minute and 51 seconds later. The money was in my Rise account like 3 minutes after I requested, but I was approved and paid. So, just different animals. But like this is the most I can make every 5 days with this type of account, and I can only have 3 accounts. So there's there's positives and negatives to all of these prop firms. This shit just doesn't want to fucking drop. By the way, yeah, Apex does pay their traders. There's no Apex doesn't pay their traders. They pay. Playing games. What up? You think so, Apex trades? I've been on the review a bunch of times and got approved. HR, I'm just making fun of the I'm just assuming that the fucking loser that sends all these bots sounds like that. That's just my voice for that piece of shit. More bots for you, ZERODAY Jason. You can only have 3 funded My Fund the Futures accounts at the same time. Funded. You could have 10 evals. Knock, knock. You got paid today, requested on the 7th. Yeah. That's about the right timeline. Casalisk, what up? Of course they do, Casalisk. They pay their Apex doesn't pay their traders. Neil, what up? Dr. T. Neeson, what's good? Yeah, I know, bro. J Trade. I know. I just don't like having to do 10 days, but I don't know. I might. It's like having a Take Profit Trader account. I don't know. It seems the same to me. King, this is awful, bro. This is garbage. I can't believe I wasted an eval on this bullshit price action. Yeah, I guess you'll find out, right? Will, maybe. It depends on what country we're talking about. There it is. It finally gave it up. Does it fucking dump? So tempting to do something stupid here. I'm waiting for this fucking algo candle. It just looks like fucking ass. ZERODAY Jason says, let's fuck around and find out with a funded account. I don't know if I missed those. That's for sure, P. I don't know. Like, this fucking shit is garbage. I don't know. It's just moving way too slow. I need something in between that. I don't know. I'm going to play it like it's going down, but I could be wrong. Told you to long. Yeah. Fucking crouton. Oh, man. Yeah, I mean, VWAP is some fucking serious support here. 18 points. Oh, 0-day Jason. Oh, I wanted to go short there, which would have been the wrong thing. So it saved me for myself. I don't know. Zero-day Jason. Oh my God. Oh, good thing. I was wrong. I wasn't in. Hey, Giancarlo. I hope you got out of that short, bro. Macintosh. JC Trades, what's good? Mitch, what's good? Yeah, fucking brutal. Man, if I fucking went long from the VWAP, we went 337. That's 50 points. Costa. Richwala, what up? Top right on well charts is a save button? What do you mean? What, like this type of shit? Or when you're on that thing? Let me go back to that copier. Hold on. Let me pull it in. There's no save button here. This is like a template saving button, save layout. It's not like a. That's why I'm not going to fuck with it. I'm going to wait. I don't see the save button on there. Nice job, Kasalisk. Wrong account. I mean, look at all this shit. It's like barf, 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 boing, oing, 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 oing. Maybe it pulls back a little and then pops. I don't know. It's fucking stupid. This is stupid. Damn. However, what is it going for the new high? Is it going for this wick? You got this one. Is it going to keep pushing? Yeah, it came down into the golden shower pocket. Didn't quite hit the 618. Where is it? Fucking piece of shit. Okay. Let's see what that 54-minute candle brings. What up, AS? Isaac. Yeah, this was awful. A boner candle. Yeah, Rich Walla. It's fucking weird, bro. TJP. Oh, nice, bro. Nice gamble. Hey, sometimes you got to do shit like that. Hey, Demi, what up, man? Wow, usually the 54-minute candle is fucking almost as crazy as the 50-minute and the 55-minute candles. This could be really bad. Oh shit. So far, it's a nothing burger. I guess it wants to go up more. This is fucking brutal. Wake me up when it's over. Yep. Let's see if I can get a lucky. Get in the chopper. Get in the chopper. What is this shit? God damn. Tomorrow's going to be the busier day. Tomorrow you got 2 a.m. You got GDP for the UK, which I've seen candles go. I've seen the fucking price move a lot on that. You got PPI, you got retail sales, you got unemployment claims, you got fucking jerk off Jerome coming on right after that. Tomorrow's going to be wild, and then Friday you got University of Michigan consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. So at least tomorrow, I think tomorrow will be better than today. JC trades. Just one more trade. This is fucking. What is this shit? John, what up? Yeah, it ain't real people. There's probably like 250 to 300 people here right now. By the way, Apex is 80% off when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. I haven't dropped any links in the fucking chat. Might as well. T. Cooper, what up? Yeah, squat thrust in the cucumber patch. It's fucking funny. Peter Schaap, what up, man? Does it want to go up? It might want to go up. And I'm in short, so I don't want it to go up naturally. Anyway, Apex is 80% off. 80% off Apex. ZERODAYJay, Jason. Take profit traders 30% off with no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess it wants to pump into the close. Come down, please. Come back down, please. Thank you. 30% off, no activation fee with Take Profit Trader, 80% off Apex. Nice, Neil. What else is going on? Bulenox is 91% off, 50Ks or bigger. Option 1. Dump it! Let's go! My funded futures, if you've never had an account with them before, you could get any type of account, any size, 50% off until the end of the month using the best code ZERODAYJ. If you do have an account, you could get 30% off expert accounts until the end of the week. Shit. Go back down. Really? That just fucking hurt me with my fucking drawdown. How many points was I up? 13. Fucking dump it. Dump it. Give me 100 points. Does it have a 100-point drop in it? I doubt it. No. Nope. Drop it. Again, like these fucking candles are so bad. Make up your fucking mind. Big Tick, what up? Figure it out. Let's go. Drop it right here. Get through that shit. Blow through it. Go all the way back down to the VWAP. Come on. I guess I'll watch. It's going to come and take me out and then dump. Keep going. Keep fucking going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, don't come back up. Do not come. It's going to take me out here. Do not come. Yeah, I'm going to get taken out there. Maybe not. Fucking piece of shit. Uh-oh. They might want to keep going up. 13.95 is not a bad start to a fucking 150K. But I was up $1,000 more. You see where my drawdown's at? I had 1,000 more. I was up like 2,500. So it kind of sucks. You know what I mean? It's not great. Now I'm about to give back more because it's going to keep going up, I guess. It didn't want to go back down. Yeah, fucking sucks. This price action is so bad. So bad. I'd rather watch paint dry. It wasn't a bad trade, but I'm giving it all back now. I trade. Scalping trades, what up? No, I don't trade ES. I appreciate the advice, but I don't trade ES. It really does want to go back up. Or is it going to fucking take me out here? It's going to take me out here and then drop. Damn. You see my drawdowns is just dwindling away. It's just dwindling away. Oh, it didn't fill me there. Watch it drop now. Imagine that would have been great if it filled me there. Added some more. Like I was saying, my funded futures, 50% off for new users until the end of the month, 30% off. Pink guy. Market stream, what up? 30% off expert accounts for existing users until the end of the week. And 5% off anything else that's not on sale. You know, it's always like that. Using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Dominatrix, here to teach you a lesson in humiliation. ZERODAY Jason. Use the best code. John Amos, what up? Yeah, this market sucks, bro. I was fortunate enough to catch a good bounce when I got this day one payout here. Dump it. Can we fucking flush now? Damn. The best code. That's right, John. John knows. Oh, that was you knew. You waited 27 minutes. I got that shit way up there. Yo, Saris, what up, man? I will. JP, thank you, man. You as well. You as well. It is a great day. I woke up today. The best code. ZERODAY Jason says the best code for Take Profit Trader. Apex Trader Funding. Oh, don't do that. Oh, don't do this. Are we really going to chop during this shit too? How many points did I have on that? Fucking flush. Best code for Take Profit Trader. Apex. My Funded Futures. bulenox. Oh, I forgot about trade day. Is ZERODAYJ. If you want to support the channel. Hell yeah, John. Believe me. I couldn't agree with you more. What is this shit? This is awful. Give it up. Come back down to the VWAP. Nope, it ain't doing it. Fuck me. Damn. Now I'm in 8. Watch me blow this account. It's all right. I'm getting a payout. Another one. This shit is going to go all the way up. Fucking bullshit price action. Anyway, like I said, it was a good first trade. And the fucking problem is right now is that, I mean, obviously I'm in heavy, but I had $1,000 more in draw. I had $1,000 more in the trade. And that when the fact that I wasn't trailing too tight and I let it come all the way back up to lock in the gains up here, I lost $1,000 of drawdown. And now, you know, the accounts, I have half of my drawdown because of that, even though I'm somewhat at break even. But I don't think I will be for long. This is fucking brutal, though. Miss Goody, Sim 1. What up, John? J-Bot. Nice job, Ademi. Nice job. Zach T. Costco out and pumping. Is that why? Fuck me. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'll have 2 funded accounts tomorrow. I'll have 2 funded Take Profit Trader accounts tomorrow. This one I'm already getting paid on. Day 1 payout. I'll see if I can do it again tomorrow. Nonstop Trader. Oh, yeah, lots of bots. Mostly bots. Mugs, what up? Howdy do? Yeah, fuck me, man. Is this shit just going to keep grinding? Yeah, let's fucking make it even worse. This is where, yeah. This is how you get into trouble because you do dumb fuck shit like me. There you go. Let's end it. Now it's gonna watch it go boing. It's gonna pop up now to really fucking just wipe out all that drawdown. It knows. Look. I called it. I do it anyway because I know it's gonna happen. I do it anyway. It's like a sick joke I like to play with myself. Zero Day Jason's learning a lesson in humility right now. Bowser, I don't give a fuck, bro. You know that. Perry Dollar. Now, it ain't going to drop. It's going to drop. You know when it's going to drop? After I lose all my drawdown. There we go. Now, it happens all the time. Who the fuck is that? Happens all the time. Look, I get top ticked, account gets blown, and then what do? Next fucking account, next account up, does what I want it to do. Do I want to take this or do I want to get more? It's the same shit all the time. Oh, don't go back up. The 150s are tough anyway. What's up, Sensei? What up? What was my go recaps? You can't use Project X on Take Profit Trader. They don't offer it. No, I have not had any fans come up to me yet. I'm not that. I'm nobody, bro. There are some people who live out here that know me, but I haven't bumped into any of them yet. Zero Day Jason, you're gonna learn. The 50Ks, I've gotten paid on a 150K before. The 50Ks are definitely easier. John the Studio, they ain't real people. There's probably like 250, 300 people on right now. I couldn't tell you. I could never know anymore. Whatever. I'll take 270. 270. That's not a great start to an account, but oh, watch it keep going down. Here comes my take profit on that other trade. Let's see what we're looking at here. Look, I literally got top ticked. 409. It went up to what? 411. I will whip. Learn your lesson, Jason. Dope book. What up? Tofik, what up? Yeah, mugs. I just sealed. What up, Nick Trades? Johnny Sins from the Prop from Streets. Mugs. Yeah, you just flip the rest of the way. Just remember they're very strict with the 50% consistency rule. Just remember that. I hear fucking helicopters flying around. They're looking for you. They're looking for dope book futures for looking in my window. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. I gotta fucking pee. I will send bots into your asshole, Jason. How did I do today, Cyrus? I did okay. Well, actually, I did awful. But I did lock in another payout. I got another day one payout coming with Take Profit Trader. I just fucked this account. This one was up as much as like $2,400, right? 2,500, something like that, give or take. And I fucked it. But this one's 56 or $57 away from a payout, a max payout here. I don't need to get any more. Like, I'm okay on days. I just need to grow the account more. And then here we go. Let's go, Jason. 0 Day Jason. Drop it for 0 Day Jason. Yo, I don't have the Tims you're thinking of. I do have a pair of Tims though. Thank you, Cyrus. Yeah, Cyrus. I mean, I'm gonna be requesting 575 after Take Profit Trader takes 20% from me. I'll be at 460, and I'm at 14,186 for the. That'll put me at over 14,600 for the month. It's pretty good. It's my best month ever. My best month ever by two grand. 0 Day Jason's having his best month ever. He needs a lesson in humility. What up, Pippin? Coach Calvin. Bacon. Muggs is trailing. Take Profit Trader is trailing drawdown on funded accounts until you get over the buffer. That's crazy, man. I got taken out and it's still going down. My take profit on that other trade was around here. No, it was like right here, 94. Jason, 0 Day Jason. You want to learn your lesson? Yeah, no problem, kid. No problem. Anything under the sun. Yeah, I check. I'm well under $14,600 in fucking account expenses. Not even close. I do big numbers. I do the math like overall. I am not a profitable trader overall. Not yet. I got some tuition to pay off with Apex. I got some tuition to pay off with Take Profit Trader. I am profitable with Top Step. I'm profitable with my funded futures. I'm profitable with Trade Day. I have yet to get a payout with bulenox. Don't come all the way back up. Are you fucking serious? Go back down, please. 0 Day Jason needs you to go back down. I love prop firms. Of course I recommend prop firms. I trade them. I'm not good enough to trade with a personal account. I'd be fucking stupid. For fucking right now with Apex is 80% off. Is this really happening? Fuck me. For like, let's say, all right, so in Take Profit Trader's case, there's no activation fee right now. So for as little as $105, you could buy yourself $1,500 of drawdown. You know how much that would cost you in a personal account? $1,500. Go back down, please, says 0 Day Jason. Raider for life. I don't know, Raider. A bunch. I need a couple more. I need some months more months like this. I was closing in. I was closing the gap. I was real fucking close. If I didn't fuck myself out of like 30 grand in payouts with Apex, I would be a profitable Apex trader by a lot. Jay Stores. Nice job, bro. Imagine just doing that without the fucking roller coaster. Yeah, I have nothing to hide. I don't give a fuck. Like, what's there to hide? I'm not gonna lie. I am not profitable overall since I started my prop firm journey. Most people, it takes years to become profitable. Some people, it even takes them years to get their first ever payout. I've been getting payouts every fucking month. I got my first ever payout in May of 2024, May 2nd. And then I skipped June, and then July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Every fucking month, including last July, I've gotten a payout. So, this fucking blows. I can't believe I had. What's going on? What's going on? Is there like some sort of fucking news or something? Gentry, what up? Catboy, Gator. Vito, what up? Coach HID, what up, man? Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling better. Yeah, I'm still, obviously, I still have a lot of work to do because there was no fucking reason for me to take another trade after going up 390 and being about $210 away from another $6,000 with these accounts. And I fucking just lost control. That's a fucking problem. I gotta cut that shit out. And still, despite all of that type of shit happening, I'm probably, I don't know what I'm going to finish this month at, but man, would it be crazy to think that I could fucking maybe potentially finish the month at 20 grand? I don't think so. I don't think it's out of the ordinary. I'm, one or two more good days away from, I'm 550 something dollars away from another $1,200 payout with my fund of futures here. I got all these new fucking PAs here with Apex. I could take those to payouts. I'm getting a day one payout right now with Take Profit Trader. I could get paid again tomorrow. I could grow this account to a payout. Like I have more Top Step evals I got to pass, but combines I got to pass. I could just do it again. That's fucking awesome, Big Tick. 60-hour trader, what up? I'm not worried about. I'm not so focused on the past when it comes to this shit. Although it's hard, you can develop PTSD when you do certain dumb shit to yourself all the time. At some point you got to learn, or at least cut back on the mistakes, because you're gonna fuck up. You're gonna get greedy. You're gonna lose control. You're gonna tilt. Just expect it, and don't beat yourself up over it. Try not to. Just try to get better every day. Every day in every way, I'm getting better. Been saying that for how long now? And look what's happening. I'm having my best month ever. I'm $2,000 over my best month. My best month was in December. I'm more than $2,000 over it now. Just don't give up on yourself. Like, yeah, this fucking sucks what I just did here. Oh, well, the show goes on. Which one is harder? I don't know, man. I don't know. A 50K my fund the futures. I just think there's more upside potential on a Take Profit Trader. But you can get into trouble because there's no consistency rule. I mean, well, there's not an expert either. You could trade 6. I don't know. It's trailing drawdown on Take Profit Trader versus end of day on my fund the futures. I just think there's more, like, I'm getting paid today. I have to trade for a minimum of 5 days on my fund the futures to get a payout. I'm getting paid on day one today. And I could get paid 5 days in a row on that Take Profit Trader account, on that 50K account, before I even get my first payout with my fund the futures on the same type of account. You know what I mean? Oh, look, this thing's turning in my favor now. Look at this. Look, no, go down, bro. What is this like? This is fucking support here? What the fuck? Blow through that shit. All right, cool, bro. It's crazy to hear. You think I'm the only one? I'm the only one who streams who might actually admit it. Ariel, it doesn't mean I won't be positive. I don't give a fuck about what happened. Most of that was the beginning. Most of that was the first 7 months. I didn't get a payout for the first 7 months. Who gives a fuck? I don't care. I don't give a fuck. It seems like other people give more of a fuck about my journey than I do, how it's playing out. Everybody seems to have an opinion about how my journey's going. Like it's their money that I'm spending. All that tuition is just me learning how to play the game. It's 100% part of the journey. No one's going to say shit when I'm fucking overall positive. What are you going to say? Oh, what are people going to say? I can't believe it took you this long to get positive. You know, when there's people who have been doing this for years and still haven't gotten a payout. And I feel for them. I'm not picking on them. There's levels to this shit. Everybody's on their own journey. Or there's people like where is he? Big Tick Energy. He's in it. He's in his 7th month. He's going to be positive after 7 months. After he gets his $20,000 payout, he will have paid off his tuition. Everybody's different. I did a lot of dumb fuck shit. I still do. I just don't do it as much. Now I actually get payouts. You know, you got guys, and look, I respect anybody who puts themselves out there as a streamer. You got guys who put the fucking profits. This is how much I got this month. I mean, this is what I'm at year to date. This is what I'm at in my total. All right, how much did you fucking spend? Why don't you show that too? If you're gonna put the fucking earnings up there, it looks great. How much did you fucking spend? All right, so we locked in 335 on that. You know, and then there's guys that stream that have channels and shit. They only talk about the good shit. They only show the good shit on the stream. They have 10 fucking screens and they make sure, and they might be fucking hedging on the other screens. You wouldn't know it. What? Me too by two. I've seen multiple people put like their total earnings. And I'm fine with that. I think it's great. It attracts more people. I guess I could start doing that too, right? I could put my total up at the top somewhere. You know? I'm not really focused on that. It's good clickbait. I'm focused on just getting better every day. Oh, I'm hiding my account numbers. That's another thing I don't do is hide account numbers. My bad. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Life with Mike, what up? Oh, but yeah, he's one of the very few who do it. That's great. That's great. I love the fact that he does that. You know? And then there's guys that'll fucking talk about how much money they made. And they say it's trading, but they couple it, but they lump in their affiliate earnings with it and don't say anything and hope they don't get busted until they get called out. Now they have to, you know, guys that are good traders that don't need to fucking do that. They don't need to do that, but they do it anyway. Not going to name names because it doesn't matter. Like, who cares? What's the fucking big secret? People don't care. People don't care. Just be fucking honest. Motown Chap, I'm literally getting pounded with bots, bro. I have no control over it. Some fucking loser is sending bots to teach me a lesson in humility. Jay Stores, I appreciate that, man. One of the OGs. Life of Mike. Yeah, that's all I do. I just take lucky guesses. Joe Lopez, thank you, man. I appreciate it. No, it's not good. I don't get extra money. I don't even have ads running on my shit. I don't have ads running. Daddy Trader, thank you, man. I'm shutting down the studio, Michael. What do I think my biggest problem is? I don't have any problems, bro. Divergence, what's good? I'm perfect just the way I am. A lot of times I get greedy, or a lot of times I'm stubborn. Or one of the biggest things I run into is 80% of the time my take profit will get hit, and 80% of the time I'm no longer in the trade. Or I'll let myself get sucked into the fucking chop or the yo-yoing around, and I'm too over leveraged, or I just don't know when to stop. Like these 3 accounts, I already got paid on these accounts. I got 6 G's from these accounts total, right? 2,000 each. I just got paid. I had 3 days in. I was at like 3,600 before the day started. Do the math, right? 49,817, 49,817 plus 3765. So I was at 53,582, about that, before the day started. Okay? I think, right? That's the number, right? So I take a fucking trade in these accounts. I take yesterday. Fuck. Sometimes it gets hung up. So I take a fucking trade in these accounts last night. Well, whenever it appears. We'll just wait. Let me go back to this shit. Jason wants to take Jason wants to take more trades. Does this want to go up? Or does it want to go down? Oh, damn. Did this fucking update yet? No. Damn, what the fuck's taking so long? I'll just tell you. The first trade I took, I was up, after fees, I was up $370 in all 3 accounts. If you do the math, right? 53,582 plus 370. That put me at 53,952. No reason for me to trade anymore. No fucking reason. That was day 4. All I needed to do was get another $200 on day 5 and then flip the rest of the way, and I'd be requesting another $6,000 and getting it because I didn't violate any fucking rules. Here are the first 2 trades. You see them? The first trade right here. That's how I got taken out, 2 and 1 at a time. $370 times 3 because I was group trading. I was copy trading in 3 accounts. But no, my take profit didn't get hit. I got annoyed and I was like, oh, let me go in and try to get a little more, which I didn't fucking need. I didn't need it. So I blew the accounts. So that's one of the things I got to work on. Constant work in progress. So, whatever. It is what it is. I just keep moving forward. I did that after I blew 2 XFAs that I got paid on. And then look what I did. I got a day 1 payout in here the next morning. I'm over it. It sucks. I hate myself sometimes. I'm over it. The only thing I want to get better at, well, there's a lot of things I want to get better at, but one of the things I want to get really good at is taking accounts to multiple payouts. So we're not on this fucking carousel of constantly getting accounts, getting them funded, getting paid, blowing the accounts you just got paid on, getting new accounts, like that cycle. I'm okay with it. You can be profitable doing that. There's a lot of people who are, but I would like to be able to hold on to accounts beyond 1 fucking payout. I have little discipline. I got scalping, bro. I got plenty of discipline. I just don't have as much as I want. I want more. Jacob Hodge, what up? Nah, this is all bullshit. There's probably like 250 people on here right now. Maybe 300. I don't know. Yeah, I trade with minis. I fucking do not fuck with micros. But because I trade with minis and I'm okay with it, I just have to be more precise with my positions, with my entries and shit. And I'm getting better at that every day. I will not. I will trade minis on this account. You see this account right here? 84. I just got paid. So I took the max payout and all I have left is $158 drawdown. The way these fucking candles have been moving lately, I really don't want to fucking risk it with a mini and, go down 7 points before I get what I want. So I'm going to trade micros with this shit, give myself a cushion. And if I can build myself a decent cushion, like $400 or $500, then I'll go back to trading minis. But until then, that's getting micros. That's the only time I really fuck with micros and when I got to flip. Or if I'm down to like my last fucking $50 of drawdown. Nathan Lopez, what up? How does the 30% trading rule work in Apex? Wherever you're at when the day starts, if you're under the buffer, don't lose more than 30% of the max drawdown, which is 2,500 on a 50K, for example. I don't know what size account you trade. And if you're over the buffer, don't lose more than 30% in any single trade of whatever your drawdown is to start. Like I had $3,500 of drawdown and I fucking blew it all. But what are you going to do? Should I cry about it? I mean, I have discipline scalping trades. I just don't have it. It comes and goes. Sometimes I just think I'm the fucking man. And the market will fucking humble you. Anytime you think you fucking got this shit figured out, the market will remind you who's in fucking charge. Traded to black, what up? I don't know, bro. Is it? I don't know if they're up in that. My win rate's pretty good. I mean, let me take yesterday out of the equation. Custom date. When did I get these? I think I got them sometime last month. I don't remember when. Let's just say the 14th. Custom range. Fuck me. Yeah, I don't. Traded to black. I don't know when. I don't know when the contracts are updating. Somebody else. If somebody else could answer that question, if they know when the contracts are updating, let's get Tuesday. Let's just go from there to there because that's when I fucking wrecked everything. My win rate. Yeah, here's another good example. In this account, on those 3 accounts, my win rate was only 53%, just under 53%. But I got paid $6,000. Do I give a fuck? No. Let's see what my win rate is on 84. Let's see what my win rate is on 82. I don't remember when I got these. I think I got them this month. My win rate on this is, oh, wow, only 51%. I'm usually fucking over. This one I hit the daily loss limit twice on. I'm usually in like the 70s. I guess not lately. But I'm also $500-something away from getting fucking paid another $1,200. It just goes to show it doesn't fucking matter. Some guys have win rates below 50% and they get paid. Isn't Dakota, that dude Dakota from Top Step? Isn't his win rate like 40%? But he's always on the fucking leaderboards for live accounts for all the live traders. Here, let's see. 60%. 60% on this account. Let's look at, will I be able to look at these? Let's see. Oh, they might have taken it out already. All right, cool. Performance stats. Oh, they just took it out of my account. I can't look. That sucks. What can I don't even know if I could show that shit. I don't even know if I could show. I don't even know how to do that here. Can you even look at your stats on fucking wealth charts? Paper trading stats? Oh shit, I got filled. Time to pay attention. Usually, in terms of my stop losses on Apex, I do it before 30%. I don't want to lose 30% in any trade. So that's how I do it there. I got to pee so fucking bad. What's my win rate in this one right here that I just got paid on? $183. 62%. 62% win rate. Guess what? I'm going to request $575 later. I don't give a fuck what my win rate is. The random, what up? Nice job. Yeah, the 150s are good. I fuck with them. Hey, that's a good job, J Stores. Just ain't right. Vitor. Yeah, they do suck. Thank you, Random. I do have so many OGs, bro. Will, it's because I need a lesson in humility. That must be why. I don't provide any value. I provide no value to the fucking prop firm space. That's why people come and hang out with me. Because because I'm a piece of shit that needs a lesson in humility. Have I tried TradeSyncer? I looked at it. I don't know if I'm ready to pay $100 plus a month just to fucking copy trade across multiple platforms. And I don't think I could do it with well charts. And I use well charts. Usually on these Apex accounts, I like to have bigger day ones, but I mean, we're trading in this bullshit fucking range. So I don't think it's gonna happen. Well, it's definitely gonna happen for these two. I like to get to the max payout land as fast as possible. Life with 12 dogs. Thank you, sir. Checks in the mail. Yeah, and I've been hearing Coral Sky. I've been hearing that about TradeSyncer. They're having some issues here and there. Yeah, Jay Stores. What good is an 80, like, not picking on you specifically, but what good is a 90% win rate if those 10%, that 10% that you do lose are fucking massive losses and you still don't get paid, right? Or you blow the account on that 10%. All I care about is getting to payouts. That's all this game is about. Passing evals and getting funded accounts to payouts as often as possible. Yeah, I like using well charts. I don't hate it. I don't love it either. But $85 a month lifetime, not lifetime, $85 a month for the funded accounts. It's a decent platform. TradeEvade's $105 a month. I like TradeEvade a lot more. TradeEvade's my favorite. I like Project SlipX more than this, but it's okay. I don't mind using it. At least people get to see how it works. I'll be right back. I got to pee. Let me know how the trade goes. What's going on here? Nothing. I might get stopped out on this one. Yep, I'm gonna get stopped out. The 145, 340. Yeah. Oh well. That sucked. Did I get top ticked? Oh, Uncle Mo. Yo. Yo, thank you, man. Uncle Mo. Mo Lester. You don't have to do that, my man. I appreciate it. Now my kids can eat. Now my kids can eat for a week. Gentry, Long Island, well, right out, first town outside of Queens, Long Island. How much time is left on this candle? 26 seconds. I don't know why this shit's going up. Was it news? This wealth charts. It's wealth charts. Oh, you fucking, I did get top ticked. Are you fucking serious? Literally got fucking top ticked. What was my entry on that trade? What is that? 299? $404.50. We're almost back at my fucking entry. Look at that. It almost came back to my entry. Fran, you, what up? Rick. Josh. Look at this shit. Back at almost at my fucking entry. That's fucked up. This is probably an awful time to be trading right now, by the way. Not probably, it is. All right, at least two of them are in good shape. This is like nothing, unless I make it worse. Those are basically your options. Howdy do. I think if you mess with Tradeovate some more, you'll like it. I think Tradeovate is the best one out of all of them. The easiest to use, for sure. Uncle Mo, man, I appreciate it, bro. We'll give away some accounts at the end of this. Stick around if you want to get a free account. You love Ninja? Yeah, some people like that shit. Yeah. Marcin wants a fucking... What about the Talladega Nights plan, Marcin? You want that one? I can't believe this shit's all the way back to my entry. That's so fucking annoying. But I had to protect it. I didn't want to hit the 30%. The 30%. When did I... Oh, fuck. Let me look again. When did I get taken out? Did I get top ticked? 413. I literally got fucking top ticked. Look, it didn't even go up to 413. How did I get fucking taken out at 413? That's the shit I hate about well charts. It's fucking sketchy. Yeah, Saris, I will. You want me to look at it now? Hold on. Bro, you know me, man. I would love to do that, but you know me and new prop firms. Yeah, here we go. Back to back. Look, it's literally on. Look, I'd be fucking green in that trade right now. I appreciate it, Saris. I appreciate the offer, but you know me, bro. It's way too soon. For me, at least. I can't believe, look at this shit. I'd be fucking green. Such fucking bullshit. Well, it's that time of day. Yo, be good, Gentry. 140, 414. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Again, another reason, another example of why well charts is by far not even close to any other fucking whatchamacallits. It's just not that good. The other thing that drives me crazy about it is like, let me show you. There's no fucking order block. I don't know what the spread is. I don't know anything. I can't see the spread. I don't know what the bid is, the ask, the last. None of that shit. There's not even an option. There's no option for that. KNLV. That's okay. Michael M. That's a great job, man. That's a great job. At some point, I'll be able to run up some of these accounts. Like, obviously, not with Apex. You can't really run up an Apex account until after, they got the consistency rule. But man, um, would love to like with Take Profit Trader or Top Step. You could run the accounts up. That's something I want to get better at. Or at some point, I'm just going to catch a massive fucking move, and I'll be trading the right account when it happens. I can't use Ninja. Yash, what up? Unless I don't know if you're telling me that random. I can't use Trading Ninja. You have to have a PC. I'm on a Mac. I'm literally trading from my laptop. I don't use that shit. Trade Syncer and what's the other one? Like Sierra Charts or some shit are pretty much the only ones I could use. Is this going to go up or back down? Does it want to go back up? I don't know. Fuck this shit. I'm so annoyed because, like, look, I'm green. Like, I would be green in that trade right now. That other trade that I fucking literally got top ticked on. I got top ticked. Yeah, Bowser uses Trade Syncer. Yeah, I know. I ain't fucking with any of that shit. Cube. Yeah. Be good, Saris. Yeah, look, I think he was gone before the fucking rug pull happened, but look what happened to Sage. Sage is a piece of shit. And he helped fucking orchestrate he literally helped orchestrate the biggest rug pull in prop firm fucking history. Does this want to keep going down? Of course it does, because I'm not in the trade anymore. I got fucking stopped out. Just got another. Yeah, bulenox is 91% off right now. I trade. What up? It's doable, man. People are doing it. People are doing it. Oh, Trade of 8. Oh, Apex has Trade of 8, Yash. I just don't have any more Trade of 8 accounts. I blew the last 3, and all of my fucking 90% rebuilds, the last ones I had that I passed yesterday, were in wealth charts. So that's what I'm trading right now. I'll probably get more. Apex is 80% off right now. Stock cards and bets. Slick Rick, what up? I don't know, man. They finally got back to me yesterday. Newts. I mean, how many times has he done 500? Look at this shit fucking go down. I'm so pissed. I got fucking literally top ticked. I got in at 404.50. What's it at now? It just went down. I'd be up like what? 5 points? Fucking bullshit. I'm so fucking annoyed. Josh, what up? Nice, Cube. KNLV. Oh, I trade with them. I just don't have an account with them right now. I'm waiting on a rebill. I got paid. I didn't do it in one day, but I got paid. I did get a payout in December with them. I took 1,500 when I could have taken like 2,200, and I took 1,500 to leave myself a cushion, and I blew the account the next day. But if you go over the buffer, you could take a day one payout. Just don't. A lot of people don't. They're just not big because they're not sexy. You can only have one account with them. I guess we'll never know. Yeah, Nukes. I mean, that is a good point. Look at this shit. I'm so fucking glad that I got stopped out up here in this account. So fucking glad. Whatever. What does Uncle Mo do, Bill? I have no idea. But he's fucking super generous, obviously. He's blessed. He blesses. I'm not the only one whose stream he fucking hits with the super chat. He blesses the fuck out of the DGen fam, though. Newts. Yeah, what up, Sean? He's giving out free candy to everybody. Coach Calvin. Maybe he runs a business and he's getting a tax write-off. Yeah, it's crazy, Josh. It's so fucking annoying. What up, Traders Each? Well, Traders Each, there is no 90% off right now. It's 80% off. But I had a bunch that did rebill at 90%. It's 80% right now, bro. Bacon. Newts. Look at Newts. Oh, my God. What business expense would these bot spams be categorized under? Sabotage, espionage, being a fucking loser. Holy Earth. What up, Holy Earth? Thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Bacon. Yo, Jim Blob. Mo hasn't been named in the Diddy trial. Not yet. Yeah, dude, KNLV, like, it's just another account to have. You know what I mean? Right now, when you put in the best code ZERODAYJay, it's 40% off. Is it still 40% off? Let me just take a little quick look. This trade day is still 20% off. Let's see. 40%. Sorry. Yeah, 40% off using ZERODAYJay. So you could get a 50K. You could get a 50K intraday for $75. That's the cheapest account they have. Intraday for $75 with 50K. Uncle Mo, he's watching you, Jim Blob. Elon, my bad, Elon. Yeah, this fucking price action's dog shit. K-Spec, I heard of them. I'm not fucking with them. I heard they don't like to, they're a little stingy with their payouts. What up, Al? We did it, Joe. All right, guys. What up, also gifted? What up? All right, guys. Pick a number between 1 and 99. One number, one time, please. Make my life easy. I'm going by the first number. The first number, if that gets picked, you win. If you put another number in and that one gets hit, you literally fuck yourself. This is courtesy of Uncle Mo and Holy Earth. Appreciate you guys for hitting the super chat. Uncle Mo, as always, bro, you're fucking Super fucking like crazy. And Holy Earth always pops in to say what's up, and he hits a super chat. You don't have to, bro, but thank you, man. If you just said hello, I would see you, bro. But thank you. I appreciate it, man. I really do. The question is Uncle Mo coming to fucking DGen Con? Taking my screenshots right now. Amazing. I can't believe that happened, bro. K spec. I think that's the way to do it. Pick the same number every time. It's like when you play the side bet when you're playing like blackjack. You either play that shit every hand or you don't play it at all. It's the only way to fucking come out on top of that shit. Fucking thirsty. Shit. Oh. What? Oh. And the first one hits, you should lose. Ah, newts. I'm working my way through this shit. Imagine Uncle Mo is Darrell. Oh, Uncle Mo's putting a number in too. Yo, I swear, Uncle Mo, if you win, I don't know. I might have to rug pull you on that. I might have to rug pull. Sammy Roger, what up? Ray, what's up, everyone who's popping in? All right, I think we got everybody. We got everybody. Uncle Joe, Jamila. Oh, Jamila's here. What's up, Jamila? There she is. Don Burberry. Oh man, it really feels like people are coming through the streams. Unbelievable. You guys have some nerve. You know what? I changed my mind. Changed my mind. I'm going to Sizzler. I'm going to Sizzler. Oh, follow me on Twitter. I'm ZERODAYJay on Twitter. I'll follow you back. I got you, Kevin, Free Humanity, JC Trades. I got you guys. Improper super chat management. All right. Miss Goody, I got you. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 22. Sebastian. Sebastian, didn't you win? Is that your first time winning or your second time? Congratulations to Sebastian. Who else? TTU Shibby, is this your first number? Jonathan Trentwell. Yo, look at this guy. Sebastian, TTU Shibby, Jonathan Trentwell. Congratulations. Anybody else have 22? Jeez. Kenny? Yo. Wow. 4 people on the first fucking roll. What are you guys going to get? You have your choice of Take Profit Trader, 25K. If you want to get a bigger account, well, you just got to cover the difference. Yeah, I got Kenny. Take 25K, Take Profit Trader, or any size Apex account. What are you guys going to do? Shibby's going to do Take Profit Trader. You want a Top Step, Jonathan, for real? I'll give you a Top Step account. Max payout on Take Profit Trader in one day, I think, is 10 grand. Overall, yeah, that's fine, Jonathan. For you, yeah. You want another one? You want a Top Step account too? Fuck. Kenny, for you, of course. You want to, Sebastian, you want to My Fund the Futures? You could do a 50K, you could do a 50K starter or starter plus. Your choice. Yeah, for the 25K accounts, how do you do? It's about the same. There were 4. There were 4. If you're gonna grab a Take Profit Trader or a My Fund the Future account, use my code, please. ZERODAYJay. Let me drop my links in here. Unfortunately, I don't have a fucking code for Top Step. They just want me on their show. They don't want me to be an affiliate. Although I haven't been invited back since Paytac was on with us. Go figure. I'm sure it's nothing. JC Trades. I'm sure it's nothing. You get a hey, who wants a free Talladega Nights plan at Fast Track? They do have a payout cap. What'll happen is you could get up to, once you get over 20,000 in profit, I think the number is. I don't know the exact number. They will push you to a live account. And if you do like 10,000 in a single day, they will push you to a live account. 5 days to pass. No activation fee for now. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay, 30% off. You could have a 25K for $105. Corey, what up? Oh, nice, bro. Hell yeah, Corey. Make it happen, bro. Make it happen. Marco, what's up, kid? I'm so hey, Uncle Mo, sorry I didn't win this time, bro. That's it. I mean, oh yeah, Shibby. My bad. For anyone who has never done this before, you gotta join the Discord. I'm dropping a link in the Discord right now. Grab an account with my link. It's in the description, also in the chat here. Use my code ZERODAYJay. 25K take profit trader, 50K starter or starter plus with my funded futures, and a couple of guys are getting top step accounts. Yeah, you should contact them. It only, Sensei, what size account did you get? It only works on option 1, 50Ks or bigger. So you must have did something else. You must have grabbed a different type of account. Option 1 and 50K. That's or bigger. The only account size worth getting is a 50K anyway. Really? They don't? Is that where we're at? What option was it? Yeah, just hit them up. They'll do the right thing. Maybe they'll give you a credit. I don't know. But yeah, TTU Shibby, join the Discord, grab the account, take a screenshot of your proof of purchase, and then send me a DM with that screenshot and then how to pay you. Zelle, Cash App, PayPal. I'll even send you some crypto if you want. Savvy. You guys, everybody else, hit me up. What up, Gian? Everybody else, hit me up. That basically, I think that, let's see. You know what? We got enough for one more. Let's go. One more. Hope you guys are still here. If you're not, you lose out. They lost out. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 86. Yo, Mystic Rick. Mystic Rick. You still here, Mystic Rick? You still here, bro? Oh, shit. Mystic Rick, congratulations. All right. We're going to have to, that's it. I'm shutting down the studio. Yeah, that's what I think. That's what happens, Sensei. If you choose option 2, you always want to double check before you go and process the payment. You know what I mean? It'll do it. Like, watch, I'll show you. If I go to bulenox right now, like I put in my code ZERODAYJay. I'm not logged in, so my code will work. See, it doesn't work on the 25K. It accepts the code. It checks the box, right? Watch. 50K option 1. It's right there too. It's the second one down. There it is. So you must have went with something else. It's the only thing I can think of. But hit up support. I'm sure they'll do the right thing. They'll do something for you. I just don't know exactly what. Maybe go buy another account the same way, the correct way, if that's what ended up happening, and then tell them you want a refund for the other one because it was a mistake. You meant to pick option 1 to take advantage of the promotion. I'm sure they'll do the right thing. Their support is really good. So once again, guys, congrats to Sebastian, CTU Shibby, Jonathan Trentwell, and Mystic Rick. Oh, and Kenny Terhune, my man Kenny. Congratulations to all you guys. Hit me up, send me a DM, send me a screenshot, all that good shit. Special thanks to Uncle Mo for sponsoring the giveaway. Appreciate you, Uncle Mo. Thank you to Holy Earth for hitting the super chat again. Remember, I appreciate it. I do appreciate it, but you could always just say what's up without hitting it. I will see you, bro. I pride myself on seeing everybody in the chat, man. I really do. I really appreciate you guys, though. Thank you for hitting the super chat. It goes a long way. We give back because I pay it forward. Super chat gets hit, I give away accounts. Rick. All right, guys. So I'm going to bounce. I got to make my update videos. I'll square up with everybody later or tomorrow morning or whatever, but I will square up with you guys. Hit me up whenever you're ready. Oh, you want me to hit check the Discord? What the fuck? I'll teach you a lesson in humility. Oh, man. Fucking Newt's bringing the heat. He's bringing the heat with the fucking his thumbnail gang. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. Thanks, Newts. I will talk to you guys next time I'm on. I will definitely be on for Power Hour tomorrow, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I'll be on at some point tonight, tomorrow morning. I don't know when else, but Power Hour for sure. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.